Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. Today we're going to go through the LawMate TM10. This is the little thermometer clock. Let's go ahead and dig into it and we'll get straight into it. So, fancy LawMate boxes as always. Inside we have our handy dandy instruction book for the TM10. Now the TM10 doesn't work with a PV-TM app, so this is just a pure standalone unit. So do bear that in mind if you're looking for one that does link into your Wi-Fi. There are other products I'd recommend looking at, but this is not one of them. Here it is, the little unit itself, little thermometer clock, and it comes with this awesome little magnetic stand that it sits on. Fantastic. It also comes with a couple of other little sticky plates for it, a charging cable, and as always with all the LawMate products sold through the spystore.com.au, a 16 gig micro SD card. Join us on the next video guys, and I'm going to show you how to alter the time and date so it reflects positively on the videos, and we're going to do some test footage with it, show you where the memory card goes and a few other little bits and pieces. Thanks for joining us guys, and we will see you on the next one.